Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important event on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable event subscriptions notifications for your Facebook page using your PC, all according to the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to manage. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you pick the right one. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo to access your page's main dashboard. Now, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left. Find and click on Notifications. This is where you control all the notifications related to your page. Within the Notifications section, look for the Events option. Click on it to open the Events notification settings. Here, you'll see the option to enable event subscriptions. Simply toggle the switch or checkbox to turn on event subscription notifications. That's it. With event subscriptions enabled, you'll now receive notifications whenever there's a new event or an update related to events on your page. This way, you'll always stay in the loop and can engage with your audience more effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.